Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So first, what you will need to do is open up your file. Then let's go here to the top left corner of the screen and click on Edit tab. Then what we can have here, uh, we can add contact we can add content here, text, images, header and footer. We have also watermark and so on. But also you will see on your document these windows around the dot windows around the text. So if you go to one of them, for example, we can change now the text as you can see here. So it's pretty cool. We can edit this as we want. Um, then we have here possibility here on the left side that we can change, let's like that. And now we can change the font, for example. Then we have all possibilities how the text will look alike. And yeah, this is pretty much it how you can edit text in PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next.